Hey there, check out this 2021 Volkswagen Atlas Crossport. It's a Comfort Line V6 model, 3.6 liter, comes factory installed with a 5,000 pound trailer hitch with 7-pin adapter. This one is not exactly stock. It's finished in deep black pearl and Titan black interior, and it's got an upgraded wheel and tire package and a leveling kit as well. You'll notice the front end and the sides of it's all been blacked out. This isn't actually a trade-in, it's the sales manager's car, and he's looking to sell it. LED front headlights. The wheels are made by 1552, and the tires on it are Falken Wildpeak AT3s, so they're an all-terrain tire with the snowflake. This vehicle's got about 44,000 kilometers on it. Also has the WeatherTech floor mats front to back, including the trunk. And this Comfort Line's got factory navigation system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is wireless charging, a couple of USB-Cs, dual zone climate control, heated seats, auto rear view dimming mirror, rain sensing wipers, heated steering wheel. It's quite loaded. I'm actually going to show you how much space is in there with a car seat. There it is. Loads of space. Vehicle comes with the remaining manufacturer's warranty up to 80,000 kilometers, comprehensive, and 5-year 100 on the powertrain. So there's that class 3 trailer hitch, 7-pin adapter, power liftgate, and the WeatherTech trunk liner all the way up the back of the seats, which is awesome. Loads of cargo space here. I think it's the only one in Atlantic Canada the way it looks like this, with the lift and the 1552s. As far as technology side, we've got adaptive cruise control, front emergency braking, rear emergency braking, and blind spot detection in the mirrors. Express windows, one touch down and up, heated exterior mirrors, auto headlights, multi-function leather wrap steering wheel. And as it sits right now, it has 43,139 kilometers. It is my daily driver, so as the days go by, I may have a little bit more mileage, but not a whole lot. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're able to finance this as well. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.